Hi, I'm Dr. Logan Worrell. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at Summit Orthopedics. My specialties are trauma, and then I have a focus in total joint replacement as well. I grew up in the Appalachian Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia. I feel like the mountains run deep. My dad would take me out. We both kind of got fly rods together and started to figure it out. We fished the tributaries of the New River, kind of carried that out to here. The fish are a little bit smarter out here, so it's a little bit tougher. You gotta be a little bit better. I trained in Cleveland Clinic, South Point, and then I did my fellowship in San Diego. So kind of been coast to coast at this point. I wanted to get back to the mountains when I kind of settled down. The beauty of living in Summit County is I get to participate in all of my favorite activities, one of which is fly fishing. We're all here because of the same reasons. We like enjoying the outdoors and all the activities that Summit County and the surrounding areas have to offer. And so I connect, with my patients, and I understand the things that they want to get back to. Arthritis can present in a handful of ways. The pain can come on all of a sudden out of the blue. Other times it can be built up, and you don't realize how bad your mobility has gotten and how debilitating this pain has become. There are definitely many patients who they don't even realize how much pain they're in until post-op day 0, right after the surgery. They're not feeling that pain anymore. And it's pretty remarkable to see the recovery, how quick the patients recover and how well they do early and then late down the road. That's really the true joy and the true payoff. And what we do is, talking to patients who have given up those activities, and we get them back to those activities. And even, I'll have them pull out pictures of their, nice catch on the phone, which is really cool.